upper lot, we are celebrating the studio tour 60th anniversary, and the main celebration is taking place on the actual studio tour. Downstairs, you get to get off the tram and walk through the Bates Motel and see the Psycho House. There's a lot of really great photo ops and stuff there, and just get up close to some of the history. But here we are in Universal Plaza, where you get to get even closer to the DeLorean, which is also featured on the studio tour in Courthouse Square, but now you get to get up close enough to really see the details of the picture car. We also have a lot of other things going on in Universal Plaza. We have this beautiful history wall showing off some of the old attractions on the studio tour that have since come and gone, like the Munsters House and Catastrophe Canyon and the train and the collapsing bridge, all these different things that you may remember from years gone by. And then you can immerse yourself over here in one of the former attractions, the Avalanche. Candidly, this was probably my least favorite studio tour attraction. It made me sick every time, but now you get to relive all the nausea again in the photo op. They have character meet and greets, they have an E.T. photo backdrop for one of the former attractions, and they have a Western photo op set. So where I'm standing right now in Universal Plaza actually used to be the Wild Wild West Stunt show. And they have a photo op of the set that used to be there, and I think it was right over there actually. So being here where that used to be, that's kind of nice. And that's what this celebration has all been about, is honoring the history, not just of the studio tour, but of Universal Studios overall altogether. So there's a lot to see here. I'm gonna hang out and see everything that we've got, do some of the coloring and craft tables, build my own little tram. So we've got a bunch of great stuff here all over Universal Plaza. It's a nice way to, if you're coming in for the 60th anniversary, you get to jump into the celebration early and get the party started. And if you're just here for a day and you're kind of waffling about it, you know, once you look at all this stuff, you're definitely going to want to go relive the studio tour. So thank you guys so much for joining us. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.